Hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to our AMA session,
Yeah.
our weekly AMA session where it's our greetings to see all of you over here and to discuss once again all the latest news and most important topics that is really happened to a worker or to the industry, and we're gonna sum up and light up for you some interesting cases and some interesting news which we come across through the last week. And as usual, we're gonna start up with the latest news, then we will jump to the recently asked questions, and of course, we're gonna ask you to ask your own questions in terms of anything. And we do believe that we're gonna have quite a productive AMA session. So let's start, Anton.
Yeah, let's go. And first news, the South Korean government is drafting major new industry classification standards for the blockchain industry. And I think it's a good trend that different countries create their own classification standards, and I think it's really good news.
So it seems like Asia starts jumping into the official and legal
Yeah.
roads in terms of blockchain, and it's also interesting case because we used to meet many of South Korean people among investors, among all the blockchain crypto enthusiasts, and they seem to be the most active people who are aware of all the blockchain things. So it sounds like a great.
Yeah, it's great news, but now we will wait what the government will create.
Do you believe that any other countries within the Asia region will also sign up some special classification of
Yeah, I
concepts?
think so.
Okay. So let's move to the next news.
Let's go further.
Let's go further, and to let you know, British government says blockchain technology can save 8 billion pounds, UK pounds, and also Conservative member of the British Parliament, Eddie Hu, has said that the British government needs a chief blockchain officer to enable social freedom, increase efficiency, and rebuild societal trust. Can you believe it?
Yeah, it's great news because this shows that blockchain can help governments, and it's really good news.
I mean, literally, several years ago, even like it was not allowed to say or to discuss any blockchain topics, and what we can see today, that governments from all over the world, starting from Asia, moving to UK particularly, are officially saying and trying to explain why blockchain is also in usage, and the real usage of business or of parliaments or anything. So it's cool.
Yeah. And I want to say hello to Jane, to Sebi, and hello.
Hello everyone.
Hello. And the next news that Malta passes blockchain bills into law, and the government, the Parliament of Malta has passed 3 bills into law that establish a regulatory framework for the blockchain in the country. And it's also great news that Malta works on this direction and create legal framework for the blockchain.
Well, thanks for bringing to our attention. And the next, which is an important news, I believe, an important notice, that the search system Yandex indexed documents, Google documents, that are in public access. This is crazy because all your Google Docs were publicly online for at least 3 to 4 hours, and anyone could change them. Please be aware and create strong password and share your password and share your accounts only with your team or with your trusted people who you can trust and who you can give these passwords. Please be careful because information and data that is publicly accessible for anyone can be stolen. Please be aware.
Mm. Yeah, and we have new comments from Pablo. Pablo, hello, thank you so much. Pablo wrote that I just read Anton's article, American Dream, where to find a job in the US, and I'm looking to move there, so very interesting. Thank you so much for feedback. And I think that we can go further and talk about last news of aworker.
Mm-hmm.
And first we'll launch the new website for job seekers and companies, aworker.pro, and now you can find main features and advantages of the platform in this website. And there are two main interests. There are two areas of interest. First, for companies that want to fill in open position, and second for job seekers, job candidates who are looking for new jobs. And it's like product website for users who want to use our platform, because on the aworker.io we have a lot of information about token sales, and that's why we decided to separate these two area. And aworker.io is the website for token sale, and aworker.pro is a website for products, for platform, for job candidates and for companies.
This is true, and this is quite a user-friendly website. Also, this is what I do like from my side, especially. So please sign up through aworker.pro and let us know how many features have you discovered through aworker, through our application, and let us know, please. So
We have new question.
New comment, question. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go ahead.
Sebi asked, sorry if this has been answered. I am sure it has, but may I ask if there is going to be any rewards for holding work tokens out of interest? We developed our tokenomics that users who will hold work tokens in different amount can use different features in the aworker platform for free. I mean, they can get new analytics, they can get feedback from recruiters, they can get special top vacancies first, and it always will be free for free for those people who can holding work tokens in their wallet. Sebi, thank you.
Pablo is saying, guys, I believe that the job section is live now. Is it right? Correct. You're absolutely right. All jobs that you can see posted at aworker are live, and moreover, they are pretty active because we are in touch with all the companies that gave us these job postings. And please be active and be the first who can recommend anyone and get paid with work tokens, as we mentioned before. So this is pretty right. Seb is saying, excellent. Thank you for answering. Thank you for answering.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So just slowly moving to the next notice. And also we decided to post all the jobs, to create a list of open jobs and to post it within our society, within our social groups, just to let you know the most interesting and the most recent jobs that are posted at aworker. Um, Top jobs listings of this week are centered around web developers in Germany, in Ukraine, in Russia, particularly in Moscow and St. Pete. So, please apply for a position, apply for any job using app.aworker.io or just go directly to aworker.pro. This is pretty the same. You can use both ways, both roads to sign up for the platform and start referencing, start recommending any of your community. And also be aware of any new job postings because they are literally just we post them every single week.
Yeah. We're happy that you can find a new job in our platform. And second, third news, aworker, an article titled "Use Cases for the Blockchain in the Human Resources" featured aworker is one of the first working recruitment platform which using blockchain technology. And also an article where to find a new job if social media channels are not relevant anymore. Was published in two huge Russian media, T-Journal and VC.ru, and it consists of ideas and new methods of job search, from special professional events and networking to decentralized application, decentralized platform like aworker. These articles in the Russian and we have a lot of sign-ups after they're published. And
we've got a feedback from Sebi saying aworker was good. Aworker go was good.
Yeah, great.
Thanks for your feedback. So, thanks for bringing us information about T-Journal and VC.ru, about the new article. It was cool. And I also want to bring to your attention that we keep receiving lots of Twitter arts. Anton's article were featured, as we already mentioned, in other online publication, have some new video reviews, and were published in several ISO listings, and we're always engaged to see all of them. And we reached a huge milestone, over 14,000 followers on Telegram. It's more like 14.7k users and members right now. Thank for supporting our projects. We really appreciate your involvement in aworker project.
Yeah, we have a new question. Adam asks us, are there any other projects out there that aworker could benefit with teaming up with, or that you see as potential partners? Yeah, Jack is laughing. Yeah, we right now we're negotiating with one of the biggest Russian hackathon community. They have more than 2,000 developers, and we can collaborate together to create a better ecosystem for developers, for companies which are looking for developers. And it's we have a meeting today. It's last of our negotiation, and also we are looking for other partners. For example,
particularly we've got a meeting during this week, several days ago, with one of the biggest companies that operates within the talent university program that allows all the developers and IT experts to have some extra courses, extra webinars, extra opportunities to improve and to develop their profiles. And we also were discussing our potential collaboration in between this company and aworker, and for sure we will bring to your attention any news related to this meeting. At the moment, we are in the process of setting up some marketing and business things, just to then let you know what is happening. So yes, answering your question, we've got many meetings about our partnerships. It's not only about the companies, it's also about universities, it's about some government companies that operate within this business, within this field. So any news we're gonna bring to your attention.
Yeah. And
Welcome, Adam.
welcome, yeah. And the next, last but not the least, Michael, who will hold a webinar in Russian about, it's titled Recruitment, How to Become a Part of IT Community. And it's very, I see the program, it's very, I see the plan, it's very interesting webinar.
Well, I'm going to highlight some features and some hits and tricks for IT recruiters first, then to give you some ideas of how to interact with companies if you are a job seeker, if you are signing up for any open jobs. And also we're gonna discuss some recruitment IT ethic things. So join and sign up for the webinar. You can see the link above the video in the latest postings in our Facebook group, and also you will be noticed within the Telegram channel. So I'm waiting for you.
Yeah. Let's go further.
And have some most popular questions asked.
Yeah.
And the first is, are you going to visit any conferences in the near future?
Yes, we are planning to participate in several crypto conferences and meetups this month, and more details will be posted in our official channels in social media, in Telegram and on Telegram.
As many of you already know, we always make a post, make a selfie, and make a sign up logo within the aworker groups that we attended to any conference. So of course we will let you know.
Yeah. And the next question: when is the airdrop distribution?
Well, as usual, the airdrop distribution goes after ICO. An official date of ICO will be announced very soon. So please be tuned.
Yeah. And therefore, I want to remind that we continue private sales until the official date of ICO, and this sale is private, and only whitelist verified members can participate in this token sale, and also they get special price, 20% discount in this stage, and everyone can participate after his data will be checked. Yeah, it's short news about our status in token sale.
Nicola is saying, keep up the good work, guys. Thank you, Nicola. And Jared is saying, you seem to be getting a lot of coverage on Twitter. This is true, and with many help of your help. I mean, it's what we really appreciate, doing so encouraging arts within the Twitter. Thank you very much. Rhoda, hello. We were trying to be so calm and not so fast to wait until you join our MS session, as our previous MS session you lost, unfortunately. So hello, please go ahead with any of your question. Andre is laughing twice. Okay. and saying, "Are you enjoying FIFA, guys?" Okay. Rod is saying before you start answering Andrew's question, "Hello, I'm late again, but Rhoda, you are not late. You are on time. So please let us know, or like just say hello or anything that you want. Well, unless when Anton is answering the FIFA question."
Okay, yeah, we enjoy the FIFA because it's really good opportunities for different teams to win this championship. And Russia team won last game, and it's really good. And we also see the good football. That's why we're enjoying.
So, a thin ice. Who's gonna be the first three soccer teams?
So I like all teams.
Okay. So we've got some comments posted about the video. Jane is saying some of the jobs you have posted already look amazing. It's great to see such opportunities out there. That is pretty true. Seb is saying, wow. Pablo is asking, will a worker cover all types of work, even jobs in arts and entertainment?
Yeah, we think about entertainment industry. Not now, because we can get all jobs in all industries. That's why we decided to focus in IT, in blockchain industry right now. But in the future, sure, we will develop new industries, and entertainment is looking pretty well.
I would say even more. We are going in front of like a boutique approach by getting a unique job postings and trying to find a best in place to close all of them. And of course, we are like moving slowly, but with the success, we're absolutely gonna bring some new jobs at the platform. Adam knows it's coming home. Who is coming home? Adam, let us know. So Jack is saying, at the moment, how many jobs do you have listed on your platform?
Approximately.
Well, if we're saying about Russian and English, it's about 50 more or less, I would say.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thanks for answering, Pablo. Saying, well, you're welcome, Pablo.
Thank you for your question. I think that we can finish our MS session if you don't have any question.
Football's coming home. Thanks, Jane, for your comments.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah.
Well, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow and the day after tomorrow will be semi-finals, quarter-finals, sorry, it's not semi-finals. So we'll see who's gonna be a list of winners. That's good. Are you from Russia? Well, yeah, we are. So, just to slowly finish up our MS sessions, I would like to tell you that we are continue developing our product. Once again, please sign up and discover our platform, our live platform and service for job seekers and companies. 2 ways that you can sign up for it through app.aworker.io, or as Anton was mentioning to you, aworker.pro. Both ways are live, and you can check anything that is related to a worker and start finding your job of tomorrow. So we continue attending new conferences and new blockchain events, as well as that is more important, I believe. We continue developing our partnerships with absolutely different and new companies and businesses in terms of university specification, in terms of some hackathon, IT and blockchain related areas. And absolutely keep tuned with us. We're gonna bring more news to you within the upcoming week. And let us know of anything that we didn't reply or didn't give any response. Rather, we missed your question.
Yeah.
I couldn't say that. So please have your questions about the video. Have your questions in our Telegram channel, in Twitter, or let us know through direct mail.
Thank you for your questions and
Great.
Thank you, Jane.
Jane is saying, "Great, Amar guys. Great to see you looking relaxed and happy." Seb is signing up and confirming. Rhoda is laughing, as we promised.
Yeah.
As we promised, Rhoda. Thanks for being with us.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Was happy to see you all, and bye bye.